How to pay off credit card debt in 12 months. Credit card debt is one of the biggest thieves of your future wealth. If you have $10,000 in credit card debt at an average interest rate of 25%, you're essentially working for free just to pay the bank. That stops today. I'm giving you the 12-month Debt Avalanche Plan, the mathematically superior way to wipe out credit card debt, even if your income is average. We're going from paralyzed to power, so let's get started. Step 1. Stop the bleeding, crucial first step. Before you pay anything off, you must stop adding new debt. This is step 1. Go cold turkey. Cut up your credit cards or lock them away. If you rely on them for emergencies, use a debit card instead or establish a tiny $500 emergency buffer first. You cannot fill a bathtub while the drain is open. This step sounds easy, but it requires discipline. Use cash for 2 weeks